This video is an open test of the i9-3. The 3rd gen this time continues the bezel-less ID design of the 20th gen 7-inch. Two AMD CPUs are available, the 8840U and the latest HX370. The machine's biggest highlight is the detachable handle module, which can be removed from the machine. Including the ABX external tray is also a random design, can be removed and adjusted at will. This combination down on the handle to play more. This handle module supports up and down, left and right computer installation. In addition to DIY restoration of the conceptual machine Smart Day, which only exists in the PPT, there is even a fighting 6-piece module that can be used. There is even a fighting 6-piece module that can restore the Sherja's Dream Wizard joystick. AYANEO 3 can be understood as Windows handheld with open source handheld attributes. We'll talk about the handle module later. Let's talk about it later. Let's look at the device first. As the core parameter of Windows handheld, basic performance and extreme thermal performance. This is the AMD HX370 version. TDP up to 35W. Equipped with 4 cores. Z5 architecture with 8 small cores and 12 fixed cores. Core 890M. 16 CU with RDNA 3.5 specification. Compared to the previous generation of 780M core. Increased by 4 CU. TimeSpy score of 3500. CPU score of 9900. Memory is an onboard non-replaceable 32GB LPDDR5X 7500 MHz. The screen on my unit is a 7-inch 16:9 ratio. 1080p resolution OLED screen. Native digital rating. Refresh rate 144 Hz. There is also a LCD native merged version available as well. The OLED version of the screen was measured with aesthetic display push. Screen branch brightness 750 nits. Color gamut coverage 100% sRGB. Color gamut volume 187% sRGB. The OLED screen uses LED dimming above 33% brightness. No problem above 33% brightness. Low brightness is high frequency PWM dimming. The hard disk is a Legesha 2280 standard specification solid state. PCIe 4.0. Measured branch footage is only 3800. Maximum temperature reaches 75 degrees. Branch write 3500. Maximum temperature reaches 73 degrees. TF card flash gold card read 95. Write 86. NIC is AX210. Support Wi-Fi 6E. Electrical storage capacity 49 Wh. With connecting charging about 38W. Full charge more than 1 hour. CPU single hold 20 minutes. Core temperature 76 degrees. TDP power consumption stable 35W. Noise 47 dB. CPU frequency large core 3.0G. Small core 202G. 30W grill under full load. Body screen temperature control within 30 to 45 degrees. Grip 25 to 30 degrees on both sides. Back bedroom area controlled at 30 to 35 degrees. The highest temperature is 45 degrees in the small air vent area at the top. Human body temperature control and heat dissipation performance is much better than the 2nd generation. Fully discharge the handheld. Test 5W TDP and 15W TDP power 100% run to 4% respectively. 5W gear test HT32 endurance in 4 hours and 50 minutes. Complete discharge fluctuates between 9-10W. 5W TDP peripheral comparison steam diode line. According to the work consumption, peripheral control is still good. 15W test Cyber Palace 2077. Takes about an hour and 50 minutes. The whole machine discharge fluctuates between 25 and 30W. The following 8-30W game frame rate and peripheral power consumption test. Next test plug-in 30W power consumption. Try to play 1080p resolution of the latest 3A masterpiece. Monster Hunter Wasteland can be done in 1080p. Low quality preset on Real City 60-70 frames per second. Black Myth Goku can be done in 1080p low quality FSR 66%. Turn on the Real Life City in the Small Western Sky 70-80 frames per second. Trial of Wiz Remastered set 1080p frame rate priority. Can do 60-70 frames per second on outdoor maps. GTA 5 Remake can be in 1080p resolution. Enable very high quality. Stable 60+ FPS on large maps. I have a black HF370 32+1T. HF370 32+1T configuration. Detailed parameters of the bottom of the box application handle module. Then there is a pre-ordered elaborate gift package. Memory holders of the good looks. The quality is not bad. People think our 930YY can give a few points. The screen is the same as the previous generation. Is a whole glass cover bezel-less design. The speakers are placed on the left and right sides of the front. The casing of the foot unit is a black plastic material with a flimsy hand cover. The ports on the top of the fuselage are in order from left to right. Power button with fingerprint recognition. Bottom. Grip switch. TF card slot. 3.5mm ear jack. TF card slot retains the design of the second generation seal. Deeper slot than the second generation. Fixed the problem that the second generation TF card would slightly push up the seal. Large ergonomically designed grip on the back. The back button is a telephoto design that fits the curve of the grip. One on the left and one on the right. The whole strip can be pressed down. It's the feeling of not touching the micro movement. Pressing the grams is not too easy to trigger. There is no connector on the side, only a decorative strip. The rest of the accessories are the manual. A C2C charging cable. Some replaceable accessories. A 60W PD fast charger for the C port. Let's talk more about the R63's handle. Both sides of the detachable modules are designed with a large fret angle to ensure that you won't accidentally touch the joystick during play. This ensures that you won't accidentally touch the joystick during play. The buttons of the standard module ABX are made of Spirit Guide adhesive. The keys are a bit bigger than the second generation. Flat keycaps are made of cloth-like material. Fast rebound and normal key travel. The keycaps are smaller than the ROG handheld. Flexibility is similar to ROG handhelds. All 4 keys have magnetic keycaps. Can be removed with the included tool. Convenient to physically switch to the recognized layout or Microsoft layout. The cross keys are soft-feeling conductive rubber. The keys are much softer than the ROG Net. There is not much difference in key travel. Removing and installing the grip module is very easy. 2 modules can be popped out with a single click from the front. It is also possible to select a module to be ejected individually. It is possible to eject the grip module by long press on the grip toggle button. Installation of the modules is also very simple. Directly press the module into the slot. Wait for a while and the front-end software will automatically recognize the module. The module can be recognized both in front and back. Based on this combination of play, AYANEO 3 is shipped with 2 Spirit Guide River modules, DIY Microsoft Grip, Sony's dual lower joystick layout joystick, and VU pad layout with dual upper joysticks. In addition to the 2 Ryzen modules, AIA has also released a module replacement kit for the joystick. A brief unboxing is also done. Inside is a total of 6 sets of modules. There is also a spare box at the bottom of the package. The touchpad module can be DIY'd into Smart 7Z mastering appearance. But since the